In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honourable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter, and it is about word and word formation processes. Listeners and audience, today, the topic which I have selected for you, it is about acronyms. That what are acronyms? How acronyms are formed? What are the practical examples of acronyms? Along with this, you will also learn the difference between acronyms and abbreviation. So be with me and listen to this lecture from beginning until end. And also, one request, and that is, please like and subscribe my channel as well. Acronyms are those words. Acronyms are those words which are formed from the initial letters of a group of words, or of a phrase, or of a set of words. What does it mean? You know that phrase is a group of words which does not give us a complete meaning. So, these words which are acronyms, they are formed from the initial letters of a set of words, or of a phrase, or of a group of words. For example, we have the word, take the example of NATO. This is the example of acronyms and how this was made and this was formed. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty, yes, treaty, organization. Or Northern Atlantic Treaty Organization. So North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So you see, this is a phrase. So now, how to form acronyms? Just take the initial letter. N was taken, then A was taken, after that T was taken, and O. So North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Take the example of pin. Take the example of pin. Sometimes you may ask a person, what is your PIN? So PIN means personal identification number. So this is the example of acronym. And how it is formed? For example, personal identification number. Listeners and audience, as I told you, that acronyms are formed from the initial letters of a phrase or a group of words or a set of words. And I presented before you two examples. The first one, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. And how it was formed? Just I selected each letter from each word, like from North N, from Atlantic A, from Treaty T, and from Organization O. This process is known as acronyms. Now, what is abbreviation? What is abbreviation and how abbreviation is different from acronyms? Listeners and audience, when we say abbreviation, so we don't say that abbreviation is a word or new word. We say abbreviation is formed with the initial letter of a set of words. But abbreviation is pronounced separately. It means as a word is pronounced like NATO, it is a word now. But it has a separate pronunciation as well. But abbreviation is pronounced, the letters which are an abbreviation is not a word. It is just pronounced as they are letter. But each and every letter is a symbol and they represent a complete noun. For example, take the example of OIC. If we come to the traditional method of abbreviation, it was written in this way. It means there were dots between them, like OIC. What does it mean? And now currently there is no dot. Without dots, they are written. OIC means organization of Islamic country or countries, organization of Islamic countries. OIC, organization of Islamic countries. Or we say USA, United States America. So all these are the examples of abbreviations. So listeners and audience, I hope that you have got this topic.